In previous tutorial, we have created an authentication service class and an authentication wrapper widget and executed Firebase sign in with email and password method. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to sign out from Firebase. This tutorial continues from the previous tutorial. I will pin the previous tutorial on the top right. So here in the home page, I have added an elevated button. And now we will execute the sign out method in the elevated button on press function. So in previous tutorial, we have created an authentication service class. In the class, we have a sign in method. Now we will create a sign out method. This sign out method will not take any parameter. So to sign out from Firebase, we just need to execute Firebase auth.signout method. Firebase auth is a parameter that passes into this authentication service class, as you can see in the constructor above. And the Firebase auth instance contains the current user information, so it knows to sign out of which account. Now we just have to call the sign out method in the elevated button. And we can access to the authentication service provider using context.read. If you're not sure why we call the sign out method in this way, feel free to check the previous tutorial. Now we are done implementing the sign out method in the application. Let's hot restart and try the function. When we click on the logout button, as you can see, we are redirected back to the My App widget. Now let's create another mock data account and try login and logout together. So here I have created a new account in Firebase. Now let's try login first. And we managed to log in as we redirected to the home page. Now let's try logout. And we also managed to log out as we redirected back to the previous page. And this is how we sign out with Firebase authentication in Flutter. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Here comes to the end of the tutorial. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.